It makes your head look really big. You're like a 6'2" giant child. Hey guys, so you read the title right. I am returning my Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarer Gen 2s. And I think this brings up something pretty important. If somebody's ordering these for the first time, it's really, really important to make sure that you look at the size. And the bad thing is, depending on the color of frames that you're looking at, they may not have both standard and large sizes available, in which case they just don't show you the sizing option unless you click the little down caret to show it. So I ordered mine and there was no option there, and it came out as a standard. And I've also got the Gen 1s. I have those in large. They fit great. They feel great. And when I got the other glasses in, which I'm going to show you now. So these are the standard size. And when my fiance came home, she looked and she said, "Oh my God, you look like a child. Those glasses are tiny and it makes your head look really big. You're like a 6'2" giant child." And I laughed at first because I thought it was funny. And then I realized she was right. So these I bought to be my main daily drivers because of the longer battery life. And the camera's nice that it is better than what's on the Gen 1, but I really wanted the longer battery life. And so I'm ending up having to return them. And a really good point, and I'm really happy that Meta does this. So I ordered with the transition lenses, the prescriptions, had the coatings on there because these are going to be the ones I wear predominantly all day, every day. And I was hoping that they'd be able to return them because they're going to take a big hit because it's got, different prescriptions in each lens. And when I filed to return it, it said, "We've run into an error. You're going to have to contact customer support." And I thought, oh Lord, there's no way I'm going to be able to return this. And it's expensive when you do the different lens options. So I hopped on to chat on the Meta website, and they were really nice. They couldn't figure out, there was some glitch in the system. So they created a new RMA, which is basically just a return. And now I'm just waiting for the email that gives me the return label, and I'm going to go ahead and order these in a large. So if you guys want, like and subscribe, because when I do get the ones in the correct size, I'm going to do all kinds of testing to show you guys the difference between the Gen 2 and the Gen 1. And I'm going to be able to do it without looking like I'm a giant with a baby head. So with that, I appreciate your guys' time. Quick video today. Just wanted to let you know kind of how the process works and make sure that you pick on the different frame colors so that you can get the sizing in there. Make sure you click your correct size. I've got a bit of a larger head than the average person. I definitely need the large. So just a heads up, there's also a sizing guide. If you go through the ordering process, look for the sizing guide. It kind of gives you an idea of what size you're going to need, because if you pick the wrong ones, it can look terrible. All right, guys, I hope everybody has an awesome and amazing day, and I'll see you next time.